In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a task from additional list on ClickUp. This is handy when a task is showing in multiple places and you want to keep things clean without deleting anything important. Remember, removing a task from a list does not delete the task itself. It simply detaches it from that specific list while keeping it available elsewhere. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in a browser or the desktop app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in, then make sure you're in the correct workspace where the task lives. Navigate to the space, folder, and list where you currently see the task. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place helps avoid removing the task from the wrong list. Next, click on the specific task to open it. This brings up the task's detailed view. At the top of the task, you'll usually see its name, assignees, and often a small section that shows the locations or lists the task belongs to. If the task is in multiple lists, you should see more than one listed there. This is a good way to double check that you're working with a multi-listed task and to identify exactly which list you're about to remove it from. Now, look for the three dots menu at the top left of the task window. This is the More Actions menu. Click it to expand additional options. Depending on your layout or any recent interface updates, the dots might appear slightly differently, but they'll be near the task title area. If you don't see them right away, hover around the top bar of the task window until the menu appears. From that menu, click Remove Task from this list. If a confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to proceed. Again, this action won't delete the task, it only removes it from the list you're currently viewing. The task will still remain accessible from its other list or home location. If you accidentally remove it from the wrong list, you can re-add it later by opening the task and adding it back to the intended list. A couple of quick tips: if the option to remove the task from the list doesn't show up, you might not have the necessary permissions, or the task may only be in one list and needs to stay in at least one home location. Also, be sure you're choosing Remove from List, not Delete, to avoid removing the task entirely. That's it. Open your account, open the task, click the three dots at the top left and select Remove Task from this list for a clean, organized workspace.